Welcome back to our channel. Today we are tackling a challenge many video editors face: colorizing black and white videos. If you've tried Photoshop or Premiere Pro, you know it's tedious and time consuming. In Photoshop, you have to create multiple layers, manually paint over each frame and adjust colors for shadows and highlights. For a 1-minute video, this can take hours. Step 1. Set up layers for different objects: skin, clothes, backgrounds. Each layer made a mask to control color. It's meticulous work. Next, you must paint each frame individually. Even with copy-paste, syncing colors between frames is challenging. After painting, you need to fine-tune color balance, saturation, and hue for each layer. It's easy to make mistakes and spend more time correcting them. Finally, rendering the video can take a long time depending on length and resolution. Any error or missed frame can force you to redo parts of the workflow. As you can see, traditional tools are precise but extremely time consuming. That's where 4DD Video Enhancer comes in to save time and simplify the process. With 4DD Video Enhancer, you can automatically colorize your black and white videos in minutes. AI handles the heavy lifting, giving you beautiful, realistic colors with minimal effort. If your source video has minor damage, 4DD can repair glitches before colorization, ensuring smoother results and consistent colors. If your black and white video looks blurry or unclear, you can use 4DD Video Enhancer to enhance it, making the video sharper, smoother, and even upgrading it up to 4K resolution. The enhancement feature has 3 AI modes you can choose based on your scenario. Here I selected the face model. Sometimes video fail to play properly, maybe they were interrupted during transfer, open without sound, or just won't load. Use video repair feature to fix these issues. With these features, you can not only colorize old videos but also restore damaged footage, ensuring smooth playback and high quality results. So, whether you choose Photoshop for manual control or 4DD for speed, now you know the trades-off. So that's it in this video. Hope you enjoyed this video, and now just give me a favor, just smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notifications. Also, if you have any questions or you want any other solution for any other problem, just let me know in the comment box and I will back with another crazy solution. Take care.